tutoke hivi kwanza, alafu tupatiwe instructions. Kindly tutoke hivi kwanza.
Let's be fair.
I must, Your Honor, you must put this house to order, both from Mr. Kinyanjui and also councils. You guys are going to leave us here. What are you guys doing? What are you guys doing inciting these people? You know very well it is the role of the prosecution to supply the defense. You know that very well. In fact, Your Honor, we acted with diligence in this matter, ensuring we charge under the threshold test before the ballistics report, because of how important we found this case. I said the investigators were asking for 14 days. I said no, we charged under the threshold test because we knew how important this case is. Then we charged. Then again we made sure that we have supplied the defense so that there is no delay on them. What are you guys doing? Are you guys serious? What are you guys doing? No, sit down. Because it's not that the prosecution knows it has a strong case. We know we will be able to prosecute when the time comes. This is a pre-trial basis. When the time comes, we will be able to present our evidence, and we have strong evidence to prosecute it, and we proceed. At this time, we don't want to be antagonistic. And in fact, if the court is ready, we can be able to proceed even tomorrow, if we are told. So we are ready to discharge our burden in this regard. We do not want the community to be incited and to be told, because they are not lawyers, they do not know. They are not lawyers. So councils must be able to advise their clients about what our burden is. And we've done our place. Even in my submission, I've tried to be very neutral, because I do not want to take any sides, so that I am not pushed to the wall. But in terms of the prosecution of this case, we are ready. Give us a date to next week, we'll proceed. Let us not be taken for granted.
And therefore, there is the tie to the location. He cannot be a risk flight risk. You have that property, you have a house, you have a residential place in Langata, stay there while you are. And I say that together, reading together with section 28, subsection 4 of the PWD Act. I don't know if my learned friend then can venture to fly too near the sun as he is doing.
The victims have a right to be informed of the charge which the offender is facing in sufficient details. Your Lordship, if the accused person is released on bail, his security is not guaranteed, Your Lordship.
You have been told of the rights of the accused person under Article 49, which should be balanced against the right to life under Article 26 of the Constitution. and that right to life has been denied to our fallen colleague because of the recklessness of the accused person. I associate myself with the DPP that we seriously need a pre-day report for the following reasons. One, my learned colleague has told you that this court has not been supplied with previous criminal record of the accused person.
Evidence will be given and the court will make judgment. For now, we're only doing the issue of the board, whether he can be granted board or not. We have not yet reached the point of hearing the case. And then any other issue can be now be discussed during that day when we come for the mention. Because we don't want to go by speculation. There is accusation and counter accusation. But once we get the report, you see the background of the accused and also the issue of the IO, what is happening with the situation. Then we can be able to determine the issue of the board and the issue of the time, so those will be able to. So we can agree on a date. I will avail myself on 4th of August, which is a Monday, so that we have those reports, the councils and both sides and the ODPP, I hope will be available, so that once the reports are there, you can be able to make your final conclusion of Narok Hospital, deal with the matter. If they do any referral, the court still has liberty to refer to another doctor, even a hospital, to see whether they will be completed in government hospital. I've only seen in the case, because he might go there and maybe he's genuinely sick. Asante. Thank you very much. Iradjan.
Ceasefire.
These are the ones that we filed in opposition to the
intended application.
Okay.
In fact,
Yes.
I'm just giving my perspective
Yes.
from the attention of the court. Both the evidence of the chief to say that by the accused person, and therefore of acceleration of crimes are likely to
The ones that we filed in opposition to the
In fact,
Yes.
I'm just giving my by the accused person, and therefore of acceleration of crimes are likely to be.
Number two will be Langat.
The evidence of the chief to say that this.